Hi everyone, welcome to Top Talks. Let's welcome Dr. Mohammed. Could you give a brief introduction for yourself first?
I'm Dr. Mahmoud Elnaggar. I'm an endodontic speaker and course director from Egypt. I'm happy to be here in Woodpecker. I'm a general dentist and MDS for endodontics.
Okay. Yeah. Thanks for coming to Woodpecker. Thanks. Yeah.
This is the first time, yes.
The first time?
Yes.
Good. And thanks for lecturing for us.
Okay, the second time.
The second time. Okay, time. Perfect.
Yes.
Yeah, okay. So today, because today maybe the summit is about the microscope with the prevention.
Yes.
So for this part, how do you see that microscope could help for prevention or the teeth cleaning?
I'm not specific in this part because I'm an endodontist, but microscope is one of you can use in all your when you always use it. You can't work without it.
I see.
Yeah. So if you do preventive procedures or endodontics, anything.
Okay.
I can't do it without microscope.
I see.
Now, yes. So it improved because when you see more,
okay,
you will do the best.
I see.
When you can't see, you will not do anything.
Okay.
Yeah. So microscope are one of the top for seeing more in your daily clinic.
Okay.
Yes.
So in your daily practice, you use a microscope for every procedure?
Yeah.
Okay. Every patient.
I almost deal with a broken file, so I can't do without it.
Gotcha. Yeah. So yeah, I heard maybe some doctor will complain or mention that maybe using microscope at the very beginning is very hard. Even they take more time using the microscope without.
I don't think so.
You don't think so?
I don't think so.
Okay.
This is for the beginner, and I think for the that they then deal more with patient, so they don't know how to be with the patient.
Right.
But if you can do that with yourself, you can do that with your microscope. If you can using the mirror and go for your clinical procedures, so you can use microscope easily.
Gotcha.
Yes,
so you think you will help with the efficiency, not reduce efficiency? Is that what you think?
Yes. If you do that without microscope, you can do that with microscope. It's not difficult to use a microscope. Not need for a long term for learning to know how to use the microscope. Yes. Something that make it easy, not make it difficult.
Yeah. So maybe about the microscope, because now you see that there is so many brands of microscope, so many features. So what kind of feature you think is maybe top 3 or top maybe features that you are looking for the microscope?
I will not make it personal.
Okay.
But any device you want to buy, you must think about some things like cost. And the cost, I don't make it how much. Cost means it must be equal to the value.
Exactly.
Yes.
Sure.
So this cost and the value in KB microscope, I think it's the best.
Okay.
Yeah, you have high value.
Yes.
Cost affordable. So it's I love it.
Thank you.
And this one of the reasons that I buy KB microscope.
So how long you been using the KB microscope?
I think it's about from its launch in Egypt. I think I'm the second one who use it in Egypt.
Wow.
Yes.
Wow.
Second or third.
Wow.
Something like that. But I booked it before it coming for Egypt.
Really?
Yes.
So how come?
Because I trust my dealer. It's Dr. Mahmoud Elnaggar, Dr. 𝐼𝑛𝑠𝑡𝑎𝑔𝑟𝑎𝑚, company names Dental Capital. The trust come from your devices. That they come to Egypt. I use a lot of your devices. So when you have this trusting in this company, when they make anything, you know, and you are don't have you're afraid from it's will be bad or will be not costly. It's not equal to value.
I see.
So when they tell me that you will having a microscope, I tell him I will be one of them.
Yes.
Yes.
I heard that you test the new microscope yesterday. Is that?
I deal with a lot of microscopes.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
because I have 2 clinics.
Okay.
And because I'm a specialist, so a lot of centers asked me for coming to deal with their complicated cases. So I deal with their microscopes, and I have KB microscopes, and I have another names. I don't
Gotcha.
want. Yes.
It's fine.
And this level of cost, there is no comparison.
I see.
KB is the best.
I see.
Yes.
So any suggestion?
His name is IC.
Yeah. In this case, maybe any suggestion you would like to give to maybe for our future microscope?
I think every day we have a lot of new now I can't tell you what I need tomorrow.
I see.
Tomorrow when he come, you will know what you need.
Okay.
Like a TV before it. You don't want to have a TV because it's not found. Yes?
It's not.
Yes. But I think it depends on the company itself. You in Woodpecker, you have ambition. You every day you develop, you make a good and new devices, new tools, new upgrades. So I think you will not be your company from I think 10 years, not like now.
Okay.
You aren't.
Yes. Right.
Yes. So I think it will not make me need anything. Yes.
Yeah. Good point. Good point.
Yes.
So maybe you can say something, because now still a lot of dentists, they are not using the microscope. So could you maybe say something or maybe try to encourage them using the microscope?
For using or for don't using and want to buy?
Okay.
For using a microscope?
Yeah, for using the microscope.
The users.
Yeah, maybe because now many users or many dentists, they are not using the microscope yet.
Yeah. I give him advice. If you want to improve yourself, you must have a microscope.
Okay.
Yes, because like I tell you before, if you want to improve, it's like a rubber dam.
Okay. Yeah.
What rubber dam give us in a dental field? It make us see more. Make us the field are clean. You can find the details. So we improve in cosmetic and composite restorations. You know, so microscope make you see more, have good details. See everything inside the canal, outside the canal. So you have a lot of details. You can't see it without a microscope.
Right.
If you don't have a microscope, I think you must have a loupe. If you don't have a loupe, you must think about buying a loupe. If you have a loupe, you must think about buying a microscope.
Yes.
I think everyone must have for herself a desire to be in a good position, developed, upgraded. Yes, so I tell him you must thinking about the best for yourself. The best for yourself is to see more. To see more, you must have a magnification.
Yeah.
Yes, the top level of magnification is now a microscope. Yes.
Yeah, it's so good to hear that you take microscope as essential as the rubber dam, because I just need that.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. Give him like an example.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks for today. That's all for the interview today.
Thank you.
Thank you.